Welcome to my motorcycle diaries. This is an adventure that I will document all the stories and all the fun and all the journeys and all the joys that I enjoy with my iron horse. My name is Teto Ole and I'm requesting you to kindly subscribe to the Teto Tutuma show below. And I guarantee you we are going to have fun, and as I share my stories about my artistry, my personal life, some of my personal life, and of course, yes, other adventures like the motorcycle diaries, where we can get to have fun wherever, whatever time of the day. Subscribe to the Teto Tutuma show below. Thank you.